fall is officially here, even though here in Texas it's still been pretty hot. But I wanted to give you some prep as far as a great essential oil that's going to help your skin deal with the fall better. And how does fall hurt your skin? It gets dull, it's the dryness plays havoc with it. Then as the cooler temperatures set in, that's a problem too. And orange essential oil is a fabulous skin brightener and one that uplifts your spirit and uplifts your skin and is great for fall. So let me get into three different tips that really help carry your skin through fall relying on orange essential oil. Hi, I'm Susan with Susan Soaps and More, and I have been making soaps and skincare for over 25 years, and this is my 21st year to exhibit at the State Fair of Texas, which you can probably tell with some of the noise back here that's where I'm at, and that is what is behind me. I'm sitting here literally in my booth at the Go Texan Pavilion at the State Fair of Texas, which it runs, just FYI, if you're interested in coming. It starts the last Friday every year of September and runs this year through October 19th. So sorry for any distractions, but I did want to go ahead and continue on, or actually start my series that I'm doing in terms of different essential oils. And today, as I mentioned earlier, we are talking about the benefits of orange essential oil. And the first benefit that I want to share with you is that it's got vitamin C in it, so it boosts your radiance of your skin. And this is our orange clove soap. It comes actually like this in a box, but this is what the soap actually looks like. We actually put real orange peel, that's these chunks that you see here, in the soap. So the vitamin C in the soap actually helps to refresh your dull skin. It helps to brighten your skin and generally supports a more even skin tone. Plus it smells great too, of course, so which I'm going to talk a little bit more about later. But as the fall weather kind of eases in more and more, our skin kind of dulls down from what we were experiencing in summer, and orange really helps lift that and brighten it up for us. So that's part of why when the seasons change, we crave something that really enhances our feelings of brightness and sunshine and overall well-being. So orange helps provide that. And then another benefit that you can consider with orange is exfoliating. And I know we have a Lori of Aesthetic Beauty. She actually uses orange peel in some of her treatments to help brighten skin and exfoliate your skin. We created our turmeric and orange sugar scrub that is great for that very same thing, because exfoliating your skin on a regular basis is really beneficial. It sloughs off the dead skin cells. It helps improve circulation under your skin. All of that helps contribute to brighter, healthier skin. And orange, this is the soap, but this is the sugar scrub, and we use carbonado sugar in our sugar scrub, which is a coarser grit than a lot of people think of as sugar. So it's a scrubbier scrub, so it's even more exfoliating. So that's going to help brighten your skin even more. And the orange helps play a part in all of that with the moisturizing we use safflower oil in our scrub, so you have the exfoliating and the moisturizing, and then the overall brightening from the orange too. And we also tuck a little bit of frankincense in that sugar scrub as well, so that even makes it more fun and unique. And then the third benefit that I wanted to bring up about orange essential oil is kind of what I alluded to earlier, is the mood lifting benefit, the aromatherapy benefit. And orange is just one of those happy, feel-good scents that think about smelling a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Doesn't that make you feel better? Just feeling it and smelling it, and then of course drinking it. And orange essential oil has that same benefit for you in terms of just raising up and uplifting your mood, so you just feel better overall. And as we go into fall, a lot of times you have turbulent weather, you have ups and downs. The weather's not as fun and uplifting. There's not all the outdoor things maybe that you can do like you were doing in the summer. If you love water sports and things like that, maybe your focus changes and it's not the same. So having something that is uplifting and mood boosting can really be important. So orange can give that to you. And so that's my third benefit for orange essential oil. So we've got, again, to recap, we have the first one was the vitamin C, helping your radiance with your skin. The second one is the how orange can help bring in exfoliating, bring back a brighter, fresher look to your skin. And then the third one is the emotional uplifting benefits of orange essential oil, because it really does. You just smell it and you feel better. And how great is that? So one caveat or one thing to remember if you are buying your own orange essential oils or any citrus essential oils, is that they can make you more sensitive to the sun's rays. So you need to be really cautious with that. We actually use expressed citrus essential oils instead of distilled citrus essential oils, which is my understanding means that they are much less prevalent towards that. But you want to be cautious with that and make sure that you use, if you're crafting your own skincare preparations, that you use percentage quantities that are safe and don't overload. More is not necessarily better. You want to use a safe percentage of essential oils in whatever products that you use, and try to, if possible, use one where they have that issue removed from the essential oil. So keep that in mind. And then just one last little caveat is these, again, are two products here, are orange clove soap and turmeric and orange sugar scrub, because orange is like almost like a little hug as you go into fall. It's this wonderful, uplifting, great scent. Go out and get some fresh oranges from the grocery store. Check into starting to use some skincare products with orange essential oil, and help make your skin glowing and radiant this fall, and enjoy the uplifting benefits of orange essential oil, because it is truly one of nature's gifts, as all essential oils are. I'm a huge fan of essential oils, and I'm going to continue sharing benefits of another essential oil with you next week. So stay in touch. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it. That really helps me out a lot. Or if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. If there's an essential oil that you really want me to talk about in my whatever routine or list of essential oils, please drop that in the chat as well, and I would love to research and bring it to you. So thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please do like this video if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to my channel. Talk to you soon, and thanks for being with us. Take care. Bye-bye.